Hey everyone, this is Ernie Svensson, and I'm doing the Facebook Live thing again today. But this time, I'm going to be doing it from my computer. So if you saw the one that I did yesterday, that one was in portrait mode because I was doing it from my iPhone that I was hand holding. And today I'm doing it from my desktop with the fancy computer monitor, with the fancy microphone, and so forth. So I guess we can compare and see what the differences are. So how am I able to do this? Well, I am using software made for Mac computers called Ecamm Live, and this is software that costs about $39. Not about, that's exactly what it costs. I bought it yesterday, so I know exactly what it costs. And it has a bunch of features that it allows you to do some additional things that you can't do with the mobile app. So for example, if you see down here, I have a lower third with my name. That's one of the things you can put on there. You can also have a graphic. Let's see, the graphic overlay. It's not going to be able to move because I already placed it. But the one that says Law Firm Autopilot. So I'm going to eliminate the Ernie Svensson one, and then I'm going to get rid of the Law Firm Autopilot one. You can have them set up and then just drop them in. So if I pop back the Ernie Svensson one, you see that one there. But you know who I am, so I'm just going to go ahead and hide that. So that's one thing it lets you do, is have lower thirds, and you can have logos and things like that. But the other thing that it does that's really useful is that it lets you share your screen. So I'm going to share my screen, and what I'm showing is my second screen, which is the Ecamm Live page. Now I'm going to go back up here to the to this display here, and you can see I can zoom in. So one of the cool things is as you're doing a screen share, you can zoom in very easily just by kind of scrolling with your mouse. But this is the page, so it's saying that it's works for Macs. It's seamless Facebook integration. It's got a new broadcasting studio. This is kind of cool, which I'm not going to do today, but you can have up to 5 guests on your Facebook Live using Skype. There's also a recorder plugin that you can use to record the podcast, I guess, if it's a podcast. The overlays we already described. Animations and countdowns. I'm not really sure what the use case for a countdown would be for lawyers doing this, but I know for marketers who are maybe counting down to the moment that they sell something, or maybe I guess in the beginning if you wanted to have a countdown before you went live. You can also have pre-recorded video that you can share. Now, apparently Facebook doesn't want people to be doing Facebook Lives and running recorded video, but maybe they can't tell, because apparently the people that are doing this now say that even though you're not supposed to have too much recorded video compared to what you're doing live, that you can do that as well. And then of course picture in picture, which you can see, I believe, because you can see that my little face is down here on the left. That's the picture in picture. You can share your desktop, which is what I'm doing. You can also schedule your broadcast in advance, which really is actually something that Facebook lets you do. So this is just the software talking to Facebook. The recording is automatically, every broadcast is automatically saved locally to your Mac so that you don't have to worry about going up to Facebook to download it. It lets you add, use additional cameras if you want to. What else? Split screen, text overlays, and comment overlays. So I don't know if anybody's commenting, but if they were, that's something that you could, include in the video feed. So that's basically it. I see that I've done this for about 4 minutes. I see that there's about 3 people watching. I don't really know who they are. They've all given me thumbs up. Let's see if I can tell who those folks are. I'll switch back to me full on screen. I have the comment section. John Fisher. Hi, John. Peggy and Donna. That's my live audience. All right. Thanks, guys. All right. So that's it. I just wanted to show you this software really quickly. And so I'm going to be doing this all week, testing this thing. It's kind of like Shark Week on the Discovery Channel. because I want you to see what Facebook Live can do. And plus, selfishly, I want to practice doing it. So that's what's going on. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully tomorrow. Oh, one quick thing. I just wanted to show you what happened after I ended the live recording, which was that the Ecamm software displayed this this pop-up that said the broadcast has ended. The video is now a post. I can delete the post. I could view it. But also, it saved a recording to my Mac computer, and I could either go see that file or also send it directly to YouTube, which I did not do, although I am going to send a copy of this video to YouTube eventually. I didn't do that at the moment that the screen shot ended. And then the other thing I'll show you is that I scheduled a post for the next day using Ecamm software. And this is what the screen looks like when you go in and say, yes, I want to schedule a post. You can put a description in, set the time, the day, and so forth. I think there's some limitations, like you can't schedule it for more than 7 days out, but the software lets you schedule the post right from within the software. So that's pretty cool too. All right, that's it. Take care. See you next time.